Hi, I'm Nanny Julie. Nice to see you on my channel. Today we're gonna draw George from Peppa Pig cartoon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and you won't miss my new lessons. Today we will need any paper, a pencil, an eraser, and something with which you will color. Now let's look at the picture. George has a head, an ears, an eyes, a nose, a mouth, a blush, a body, an arms, a legs, and a tail. Now let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here at the top of the paper. The first step we're gonna draw is the head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here, right in the middle. Draw a big U shape. U shape. Repeat after me. U shape. Then we are gonna draw a diagonal line that goes to the left. Curve left and stop. Then we're gonna draw another diagonal line over here. I start over here and comes left and up. Then we're gonna draw a nose and ovals over here between these lines. An oval. Oh, you're doing great! Now let's draw a nostril. 2 ovals inside the nose. Now let's draw an eyes. 2 big circles over here at the top of the head and 2 small circles inside. The first and the second, and let's color it. Try to stay inside the lines. Then let's draw a mouth. An arc over here for smile. Our George has a blush. Draw a circle over here on the right side of the head. Now let's draw an ears. 2 upside down U shapes at the top of the head. Let's count. 1, 2. Now let's draw a body. A big, very big U shape. I start over here, goes down, curve right, up and connect with the head. Then let's draw an arms. 2 diagonal lines on the both sides of the body. Here and here. Then let's draw V shape at the end of this line. V shape and another V shape. Now let's draw the legs. 2 short vertical lines underneath the body, then an oval over here under these lines. The first leg and the second over here. 2 vertical lines over here, curve at the top, and another oval over here. And let's draw a tail. I go down and draw it, curve up, curve down, and stop. That's the way to go, you did it! Your George is so cute! You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram, Boosty, or Facebook. Take me in photo, Nanny Julie art. Now let's color it together. You can choose any color you like. I choose pink for head, ears and legs. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Now I choose dark pink for the blush. Oh, you're doing great. I like your blush. Then I choose blue for the body. Tracing and coloring inside. Try to stay inside the lines. If you missed a spot, fill it in with color. And black for shoes. Wow, high five! You can be super proud of your drawing. Your George is so beautiful. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Subscribe to my channel and you won't miss my new lessons. See you, bye bye!